know, we've had, for example, last couple of days we had some discussions with the New Zealand High Commissioner in respect of what's happening in New Zealand and what we can do in respect of moving that agenda forward. But as has been said previously, the Australian and New Zealand governments are looking at opening Trans-Tasman bubble first. But in the meantime, we obviously plugging away in respect of what we can do also internally, and in respect of any new information or data that comes across from Fiji, we can pass it on to our counterparts in Australia and New Zealand. And we're working on that. Obviously, we are also talking to other Pacific Island countries, what they are doing, how they are moving along, so we can also have discussions with them in that respect too.
It's very clear in our mind Fiji's interest in joining the bubble, and that's been registered by the AG at the top levels of our government. Fiji is very well placed to join the bubble once we establish the protocols with New Zealand, and I hope that once that's done with New Zealand, we're able to move quickly to include Fiji